Hello, welcome to Math Focus. How to solve for k in this equation, k raised to power 3 plus k square is equal to 2. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Solution. Here we have the given equation k raised to power 3 plus k square is equal to 2. This is k raised to power 3 plus k square minus 2 is equal to 0. Take note of this, that if you have 2, this is equal to 1 plus 1. Then this can be written as k raised to power 3 plus k square minus 2 can be written as 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Also, if you have 1 raised to power 3, this is equal to 1. And if you have 1 square, this is equal to 1. So this can be written as k raised to power 3 plus k square minus this is 1 raised to power 3 plus 1 square is equal to 0. Let us open the bracket with this negative. Here we have k raised to power 3 plus k square minus 1 raised to power 3 minus 1 square is equal to 0. Now at this point, let us pair this to this and this to this. So we have k raised to power 3 minus 1 raised to power 3 bracket plus this k square minus 1 square is equal to 0. Take note of this, that if you have a square minus b square, this is equal to a plus b bracket a minus b. And if you have a raised to power 3 minus b raised to power 3, this is equal to a minus b bracket a square plus ab plus b square. So where a is equal to k and b equal to 1. So this can be written as k minus 1 bracket k square plus k multiplied by 1 plus 1 square bracket plus this is k plus 1 bracket k minus 1 is equal to 0. Here you can see that k minus 1 is common. Let's bring it out. This is k minus 1 bracket. If you divide the whole of this by this, we have k square plus k multiplied by 1. This is k plus 1 square. That is 1. Then if you divide the whole of this by this, we have plus k plus 1 is equal to 0. K minus 1 bracket k square plus k, this is 2k plus 1 plus 1 here, 2 is equal to 0. There are two cases here. The first case is k minus 1 is equal to 0, and the second case is k square plus 2k plus 2 is equal to 0. Then from here, k is equal to 1. This is the first value of k. And from here, this is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. And a quadratic formula is given as k is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. And from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 2. K is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 square minus 4 multiplied by a is 1 multiplied by c is 2 over 2 multiplied by 1. Then k is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 square, that is 4, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 2, that is 8 over 2. And this is same thing as minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 8, that is minus 4 over 2. K is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of minus 4 can be written as square root of 4 multiplied by minus 1 over 2. And this is same thing as minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2. Square root of minus 1 is I over 2. Then k is equal to minus 2 over 2 plus or minus 2i over 2. These two cancel these two. These two cancel these two. K is equal to minus 1 plus or minus I. This is the value of k. Therefore, our final answer are k1 is equal to 1, k2 is equal to minus 1 plus I, then k3 is equal to minus 1 minus I. This is the final answer. You can see that here we have one real root and two complex roots. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong using the real root that we have here. To check, we have the given equation k raised to power 3 plus k square is equal to 2. Then if k is 1, we have 1 raised to power 3 plus 1 square must be equal to 2. 1 raised to power 3, this is 1, plus 1 square, 1, must be equal to 2. 1 plus 1, this is 2, is equal to 2, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.